Hello, Madam Huda. My name is Jaraj and I'm from DTC. I and my roommate like to present our product named ECP. That's mean Easy Portable Charger. Okay, let's see. When we go out or somewhere else, we maybe run out battery, and mostly the person who travel to our place, they won't have a emergency charger. They will get stuck with their thing and the situation. They will get panic and other else. From this way, I choose to make an easy portable charger to all our students or travelers to easy to get more. Okay, let's see. This kind of people, where they use their charger, in my research, public charging, mostly public place or anywhere, second workplace, and third student. Under my research, students are majority using handphone with their battery low. Okay, then I like to promote my product to the students, to their easy life. With they're mostly using Facebook, WeChat, or anything else. They're using the current social things that will take a battery little bit fast to finish. And also the business travelers, they are traveling to the overseas or traveling to another place, can't sit in the place a while. They will traveling bus or airplane. They will take traveling charger. Although they take the charger, but they can't search for the plug for charge their handphone or anything else using electric things. By using this portable charger, it can make you easier to charge anywhere, and you can make your life comfortable. And this is a simple introduction for the ECP, Easy Portable Charger, from me, Jairaj. Thank you.
My name is Arvinda. Today I want to talk about how to make a portable charger. Firstly, we must have 9V battery, a charger with connecting wire, and wiring tape. Okay, the steps are: first, we take the charger and cut the wire. Second, next, take a 9V battery and stick the wire to the charger part of battery. Make sure red wire to stick to the positive and black wire stick on negative. Okay, at last, finish done emergency charger. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Yu Jing Eng. Now I want to talk about the usage of portable chargers. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of portable charger? The portable charger is a small battery pack that can be used during the day and the night. Sometimes the portable charger will get low or not enough battery, so we need it to recharge. Okay, the device includes digital camera, music player, cell phones, and GPS units, and emergency locator beacons. Okay, next, the usage of portable charger is it is convenient to keep and brought to anywhere and any place. Okay, then I want to talk about its characteristic of portable chargers. The portable charger is a lightweight product, and it is also a long-lasting product. Then, if the products fell from a table, it will never broken and break down. It is also a cheapest product, and it is also easy.
Hi, my name is Arnish. I'm here to talk about advantages of portable charger. First of all, is easy to use. This charger is just plug it in the phone and settle it while it charging. Second, it's not harmful. It's prevent from shock, and it also prevent you from your arm and your entire body. Next, it is most cheapest portable charger, because with a single battery you can get a fully charged battery. Next, it also shock resistant, because when it fell from a table, it not be break it. If break also, we can change another. That's all from me. Thank you.